This is part 2. Okay, so my face is all done. If you watch that other video, I'm doing a face thing. I also ate chicken in that other video. So I have this face roller. If you watch that video, good. Okay. So I didn't put the water on, but before I use anything, I'm gonna take this thing off and use this thing because I might be doing a face mask, but I'm not 100% sure. Okay, put that thing up. Okay, so this is what I look like in this thing. Tie down. Okay, so Hawaii. Okay, so I'm just gonna pour some more. This is just water in here. Yep. So rub my hand. Get one more batch. That's gonna be the last one. But that was actually a hand sanitizer case. It smells good. After results, and my face is dry in these little wipe off things, but we're not using that now. So I'm just gonna rub that. Okay. Now we're gonna roll it quickly with the big side. This is what I do like literally after I do my makeup, because I don't want my face to look bad if I wear makeup, and I don't want to wear makeup, so like I'm not wearing makeup, but people will think I'm wearing makeup, so yeah, like foundation and stuff, but mine not, so I want that. Yeah. Okay. Time for this lotion. So this is organic healing lotion. Organic lotion. Red top, spin it off. Cute. Okay. Oh my goodness. Got like so much. Just didn't want that to go in my eye. So that was stink. I'm doing skincare right now. Okay, rub this. Beauty. Oh, now that song is like, oh my god. This thing is all over me. Bow, 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 bow. Just ignore the TV sound if you hear anything. This is safe. My face is like so silky looking. Mama, look at my face. More water. We're not gonna rub that. I'm just trying to fade off that makeup. Time. So we're gonna leave this for a few minutes. This looks so cute. And I'll put this thing. Okay, I'm just gonna, while we're waiting, to wait for this. Grand finale. Okay, this little side, I have big and small side. So, look at my face, Mama. Do you want? Oh? Oh. Do you want your face to be like this?
Yes, hi.
But my mom's camera side. No, not camera side. If I tell it, Oh, wrong side. Okay, wrong. If I tell it, I think nobody's on this one. So like I'm really embarrassed. But I really know any. So like you just I know that's important. I'm gonna give you guys some ASMR. And she's that's all I'm gonna do for today. So yeah. Okay, I'll give you some ASMR. Just ignore that sound. So, like that's it. We're gonna come back. Heartbreak. Yeah. Love you, baby.